Hey there! If you're like me, you love having a clean, functional, and visually appealing desktop setup. Today, we're going to focus on one powerful tool for adding widgets to your Windows desktop, Rainmeter. I'll show you how to download, install, and use Rainmeter to transform your desktop, and even how to install additional widgets from the internet. Let's dive in. To download Rainmeter, head over to their official website. Once you're on the website, click the big download button. After downloading, run the installer. The setup process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and choose the default settings. Once installed, Rainmeter will launch automatically. Rainmeter comes with a few default widgets, like a system monitor and clock. You can move these around your desktop and customize them right away. To customize a widget, just right-click on it and select Edit Skin. This opens a configuration file where you can tweak the appearance and functionality. Don't worry if this looks complicated, Al. We'll keep it simple for now. The real magic of Rainmeter lies in its skins, and you can find thousands of them online. One great source is DeviantArt. Let me show you how to download and install a skin. Go to deviantart.com and search for Rainmeter skins. Browse through the options and pick one you like. For this tutorial, I'll download the honeycomb skin. Once you've downloaded the file, simply double-click it. Rainmeter will open a prompt asking if you want to install the skin. Click Install, and the new widgets will appear in the Rainmeter Manager. Now you can drag and drop these widgets onto your desktop and customize them just like the defaults. And that's it! Rainmeter is an incredible tool for adding widgets and gadgets to your Windows desktop. With just a few downloads and some customization, you can completely transform your workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what skins you're using, and I'll see you in the next one.